Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your ASUS Zenfone 7, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move for the system, then click on the languages input, select virtual keyboard and tap on Gboard. Right now go right here for the theme and click here to create a new theme. Right now we are in the gallery when we are able to pick up the picture that we want to set on our theme, so I will go for this one. Right now we can scale the picture. I will go for this part, click next. Here we can set the transparency of this picture. As you can see, go with this one. And here we can also turn off or turn on keyboarders. And right now, as you can see, right here, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!